This chart in the intraday 15-minute time frame also demonstrates the confirmation of a strong downtrend with the ASI, which first crosses below zero when the initial reversal begins to get underway, followed by a distinct downward slope formed by ever lower swing points. Then when bearish sentiment subsides, ASI is markedly neutral. Sudden and large gaps, which are often more common on intraday time frames, can sometimes distort and limit the usefulness of the ASI. Though in this case it's not much of an issue, especially as price quickly remains under zero to begin another clear downtrend, followed by those familiar characteristics of a market transitioning to a bullish reversal. As ASI nears and contacts zero, the shift to clear neutral to bearish movement indicates resistance and bearish sentiment are still maintaining this upper boundary. It actually turns out to be a moderate double top reversal, which helps confirm the convenience of reusing this approximate area to mark future resistance, as a very similar situation plays out again. Unlike the previous downward reversal, a distinct slope is maintained when ASI drops towards -10 and price drops towards the lower 30s. This helps clarify sustained bearish sentiment and confirms the strength of the preceding downtrend even though ASI has already crossed under zero. A strong feature of support such as a gap up fill is a great area to begin marking in terms of a threshold that ASI should stay over in order to maintain a bullish advantage during this relatively quick upward reversal. With the recent formation of this gap up, this new area of sustained resistance can mark a new upper threshold. It could soon become useful, similar to that area around -10 on the ASI and around the lower 30s on the price chart, which now mark a major lower threshold. After some delays, the uptrend does surpass these marked upper boundaries, but is unable to get past the more significant boundary of zero, which shows bolstered resistance and bearish sentiment in the downtrend that follows. Though later, once zero is crossed and price quickly holds firmly higher, there is confirmation of a relatively stable uptrend which still encounters strong resistance around the 40 barrier for both price and the ASI.